Hello everyone, welcome to Marshes. I hope everyone is doing well, and in case you have forgot to hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button and share with your family and friends. Well, today I'm at Malacca and currently you guys are watching an aerial view of Malacca Street Mosque. Man-made mosque, it's so peaceful out here that you will be coming here for a few minutes but might be spending an entire evening just like me over here while sitting and watching the view. Enjoy the view. I hope you guys have enjoyed this place. Now I'll be heading toward the city center, or you can call it a downtown of Malaga, which is quite nearby. So see you guys there. Stay tuned. So finally I'm in Malacca downtown, and right now I'm heading toward the Malacca Museum and the church. I don't think so they'll be open at this time, but the market, which is located beside the lake, it would definitely be open. So there are a lot of shops over here for foot massage, Chinese food, Korean food. You see this one? The bars. Right now I'm going to be in a market. It's night market for food. But before entering we have to Finally, I'm at the food street and it's crowded and you can smell all the delicious dishes that are being served fresh, and there's a lot of jewelry, accessories and Malacca cultural items that are being sold throughout the market, which you guys can see on your right and left. I would definitely recommend all of you to must visit Malacca once. I'm feeling so honored to be here. It's amazing, and the atmosphere is so energetic and amazing. And the most important thing that I have found is that the food and the juice prices are quite cheap. The accessories are also cheap as compared to Kuala Lumpur. I have to try something. Let's see what comes in my way that I can try. Sugarcane juice is one of my favorite juices, and especially when it's directly coming out from the machine. And the price is quite cheap as well. Just touring it. Sugarcane juice that for touring, that makes my whole day perfect. And yes, he asked me whether I need an extra ice in it or not. In my case, I don't really like to have an extra ice in my drinks, so I asked him to go with the regular one, which costed me 2.5 ringgit. I think you cannot find that price in KL as well. Well, now I'm heading toward the Lakeside, which is another video of Malacca. Well, until I reach there, you guys enjoy the aerial view of this market that I've captured for you guys. See you there. This is a Chinese restaurant situated exactly in front of the market. It has a quite famous food. It's quite rushy as well. The cycles definitely you'll find everywhere. They are actually here for you to take you in ride, and they take you on the historical places. They show you, they ride you around the lake and then leave you at the lake so you can take a boat from there. Well, we are on the lake now, and As guys you can see on my back that this lake looks so amazing, and trust me, it's so good. But it's a bit crowded and there's a lot of music going on. As you can hear on my back that this music is actually quite loud in there, but you must visit it once. So you guys are a chocolate lover like me, you must visit this place once. Unfortunately, they said that they don't allow shooting inside. I don't know why, but yeah. So I just walked outside for you guys. I can spend days out here, but an aerial view for you guys. Enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Bye.